This is Pranav Guha Thakurta from EduTV. Today, we are with Mr. Gupta, Mr. Pawan Gupta. He's a famous motivational speaker and he's heading many principals associations also. Sir, as this was not a very normal year, students who passed their class 12 this year, they don't have any clue what they will be doing. They have not taken any, majority of not taking admissions. Those who has taken admissions also, they are having online classes. They don't know they will be able to give their NEET or JEE. Plus the students who are passing out in 2021, they don't even have a clue will they have their examination also. How will, because they are still studying online. And even the students who are in like graduation and masters, like engineering, MBA and other courses, they had a dream that they will get a job by July of this year, and there is no clue about the job. No jobs are available. The kind of jobs they thought in their mind. The parents also very much worried because a lot of parents have taken loans. So and they're not sure about their kids where things are going. So everyone is having a social problem, economic problem, and also academic problem. So I would like to have your advice, your motivation to the students and parents.
Pranav, this is Pawan Gupta this side, and the very important question you raised today related to student and parent grievances in this COVID-19. And I'll tell you one thing. See, as far as education is concerned, we are very sorry to say, all the people who are concerned, whether they are governmental people, non-governmental people, they are not giving proper importance to the need of addressing this problem. Students are confused, educators are confused, and universities are confused. Yesterday only we got one, verdict from our honorable court that, very many undergraduate and PG, students were thinking that this year may be called as a 0 year and they will be automatically promoted to their next, year or something like that, final examination. But court says nothing doing. The universities, the school and other institutions, they may ask the competent authorities to postpone the examination, but you have to sit in the examination. No way that the senior classes or the PG classes or UG classes will be getting liberty of not appearing in the examination and getting degrees. So one thing is very much clear. Second thing which we raised related to what class 12 students have to do when there is no guidelines related to whether we'll be going to have one-to-one examination in the coming March, you can say. We're not clear about. So they are studying in the pretext that they may have examination and they may be, evaluated on certain relaxations. But again, the things, even if they sit for examination, even if they get good results, what about their admissions into universities? And they are more aggrieved than anyone. Because when they will be getting their result on that time, I hope some situation will be normalized. But universities don't have anything to offer because they are unaware of the guidelines which has to be come from UGC or certain higher authorities. And moreover, despite of all these glitches, the parents who have taken loans for the studies of their own children are nowhere taken care about by anyone. The EMIs are mounting. Universities, schools, colleges there are pressurizing. I'll not say pressurizing because they too need funds to take care of their own staff and everything. But who will take care of about the EMIs of the banks, which a parent has to bear with slashed salaries or slashed income they are getting from this environment? Moreover, all this has become a vicious circle of stress,
Correct.
because students doesn't know how to prepare. They are not aware how much marks they'll be getting. They are not aware about what type of subjects they'll be selecting. They are not aware what will be the different guidelines of the university when they'll be passing class 12th. One level.